welcome back to my channel. How lovely to see you all. I hope you're all well. I'm going to get right into it today. I'm going to be making a keto friendly tuna fish patty dish. So if you like fish cakes, you can either make them with salmon or with tuna. I've got tuna that's been in spring water, and just a few other simple ingredients that I'm sure everybody's got in their refrigerator at home. So you'll never go hungry. Very easy and simple to make. So let's not waste any more time. Let's get on with it right away. Take out any visual clumps that you find in the tuna and just make it nice and airy and fluffy. Lightly beat an egg and add it to the tuna. Then add thinly sliced spring onions, a couple of them. All the recipe will be in the description box below. Add your almond flour. Next, add grated lemon zest and a good squeeze of fresh lemon. I like at least half a lemon through it. Then add mayonnaise. Add the lovely fragrant and spicy spices. And that's to your own personal taste, of course. Then get in there and really give it a good thorough mix. I mean, you don't have to beat it to death, you know, but just give it a nice mix so everything's lovely and combined. Once you're happy that the mixture is perfectly combined, take out portions and fashion them into patties. You should get about 8 with this dose, and put them onto parchment paper so they don't stick to your plate. See, I've just laid some parchment paper down. Continue to do that until all your patties are made. It's also a really good idea to refrigerate your patties for at least a couple of hours before you start to fry them. Next, you'll need to grab a frying pan, preferably non-stick, and add oil of your choice. I'm using olive oil here. Fry these beauties on medium heat till they're lovely and golden and brown on both sides. And then all you need to do is remove them from the pan and just drain them on absorbent paper. And they're almost ready to devour then. And here they are. They are delicious, served with a salad of your choice and a nice seafood dip. Not too much, mind you, if you are following the keto diet. But if you're not, go for it. Enjoy them. Slather them with dip. Yum. And you saw how very easy and quick they were to make. I'm going to include all the macros and the recipe in the description box. I think this tiny one here belongs to the cook. And so let's taste it. Dip it into a tiny little bit of seafood sauce. Here goes. Oh, that's so good. That is really a delicious fish cake, fish patty, whatever you want to call it, a tuna patty. It's lovely, full of delicious, beautiful tuna. I've got a salad with it. There's enough there for 1, 2, 3, 4 servings. Refrigerates well. You will love it. Squeeze a lemon on it too, it's delicious. Seafood or whatever sauce you like. Thank you, dear friends, for watching, and thank you for the new subscribers, and thank you for the beautiful people that return each week or whenever I post, return to me and stay faithful. You mean the world to me. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. I'll be putting up another post sometime soon, but until then, be happy, be safe, and smile. Keep smiling. Even when you've got nothing to smile about, just keep smiling. See you all later. Love you. Bye-bye. I think I'm going to have a bit more of this. Yum. It's delicious. Here, have a bite. Yum, yum, yum.